Hello, garden enthusiasts. Welcome back to our latest Decor Ideas YouTube channel. Today, we are diving in deep into the world of modern garden design ideas that will transform your outdoor space into a contemporary oasis of beauty and functionality. In this video, we are going to explore some of the most captivating and innovative ways to create a modern garden that seamlessly blends aesthetics and functionality. Let's jump right in. The hallmark of modern garden design lies in its clean lines and minimalist layouts, think symmetrical arrangements, crisp edges, and open spaces. These designs create a sense of simplicity and elegance that perfectly complements the modern aesthetic. To truly enhance your modern garden, consider incorporating sleek outdoor furniture from minimalist loungers to chic dining sets. The right furniture not only elevates the design but also provides a comfortable space to relax and enjoy the beauty of your surroundings. Vertical gardens and green walls are ingenious ways to add a touch of modernity and lushness to your outdoor space. These living walls not only bring nature closer but also act as stunning pieces of art that redefine your garden's ambience. Water features are a key element in modern garden design. Incorporate sleek fountains, reflective pools, or even a minimalist waterfall to introduce a sense of tranquility and movement, turning your garden into a serene retreat. When the sun sets, modern gardens continue to shine with the help of contemporary lighting. Introduce well-placed LED lights, sleek lanterns, and ambient lighting solutions to create a mesmerizing nighttime atmosphere. Modern garden design is not just about aesthetics, it's also about sustainability. Choose native plants that thrive in your climate and incorporate eco friendly practices like rainwater harvesting and low maintenance landscaping to create a garden that's both beautiful and kind to environment. For the ultimate modern garden experience, consider creating a seamless flow between your indoor and outdoor spaces. Large sliding glass doors, outdoor seating extensions, and consistent design elements can blur the lines between your home's interior and the garden. And there you have it, a collection of mesmerizing modern garden design ideas that are sure to elevate your outdoor space. Whether you are drawn to the clean lines, the functional furniture, or the harmonious blend of nature and contemporary aesthetics, the possibilities are endless. If you found these ideas inspiring, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our latest Decor Ideas YouTube channel for more insightful design content. Let us know in the comments which modern garden design element resonated with you the most, and if you like to see more outdoor design inspiration. Until next time, keep transforming your space with the magic of modern garden design. Happy gardening. I hope this video will be very helpful. The pictures collection for outdoor beauty will be very attractive for your interior and exterior home decoration. So please subscribe my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching complete video.